My name is Jillian, and this is Jillian Camps, Arizona, and today we are unboxing the SleepinGo Sleeping Pad. I love my old, I think it was a Trekology Z Lite pad. It only weighs like 10 ounces, but you know what? I'm going to try something else in the Grand Canyon. This is an actual sleeping pad. It only weighs 14 ounces according to their website. According to this, it's 0.9 pounds, okay, whatever. So 14 ounces according to the website. It's 2 inches thick. So I'm just reading this on here. Super comfortable, 2 inches thick, lightweight, only 0.9 pounds, aka 14 ounces. That is what I'm excited about. It's lightweight. Heavy duty, will never leak. We'll see about that. Do you want to know how many sleeping pads I've popped in the Grand Canyon? A lot. And pillows. I have another pillow to unbox as well, and that's because I've popped 2 of them in the Grand Canyon. You know how many rocks are at the bottom of the Grand Canyon? A billion. Do you want to know how sharp they are? Really sharp. Anyways, today we're at Lost Dutchman State Park, and we're just going to be doing a couple of unboxings today, okay? It's a beautiful day. Let's do it. SleepinGo. Super comfortable. 2 inches thick. Heavy duty. Will never leak. Sure it won't. Camping, backpacking, hiking, 1-year warranty. I'm interested in seeing that. Let's go ahead and unbox it. I want to see what it's like. My brother has the same one, and I said to myself, you know what? I'm going to get one of these because this is nice. I don't care how much it weighs. Look at how tiny it is. Ooh. You remember that big gray thing that was constantly over my shoulder in all the videos in the Grand Canyon? No more. We're doing it this way. Nice, huh? SleepinGo Sleeping Pad. Look, here it is. This is what it comes in. And this is what it is. It's just a cutesy little pad. And I'm doing this standing, and I'm trying not to let everything blow away, so we're just going to make sure things don't blow away. So this, I got the large size, by the way, which is 70 inches. There's no instructions. I don't know if you saw, it just came in this bag, and it comes with this. It's a sleeping pad. Self-explanatory. Appears that you're supposed to seal it by pressing this big purple thing wedge into it like that. And then you just blow it up. I'm not too sure how, but it seems self-explanatory to blow up, I would think. And I thought it was supposed to be orange. Now it's all green, which is kind of weird, but whatever. To deflate, extend outwards, black rubber flap. Okay. Oh, I see. To inflate, you blow. It says it only takes 10 breaths. Let's see how long this takes me. 1, 2, 3. I'm doing big breaths too, okay? 4, 5, 6. Feeling lightheaded. 10. This is huge, by the way. Holy cow. Nice. Jesus. This is quite a nice sleeping pad, by the way. This appears defective. Interesting. This is cool. I got a defective one. Wow, cool. Anyways, the black flap doesn't cover it, and you can see that it's off center, so I wonder if that's the reason why. But it does not cover it at all. So when I first tried to blow it up, it just deflates rapidly. You know what I mean? So that's not fun. Okay. Anyways, I'm gonna have to send this one back. I'll do another unboxing some other time. I'll let you know how that goes. Bye!